Aloo kachori.
1 cup of maida all-purpose flour. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of melted ghee. In a mixing bowl, add maida. Add salt. Add melted ghee. Combine them well. Gradually add lukewarm water and prepare dough. Quarter cup of lukewarm water is used to prepare dough. Dough is done. Leave it for 15 minutes. For stuffing, take 2 boiled potatoes, 1 small-sized chopped onion, 1 chopped green chili and few chopped curry leaves. 1 tablespoon of the gram flour, 2 pinches of ghee, salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of zira cumin powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala and amchur powder. Heat pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add coriander seeds. Add chopped onion. Roast them on low to medium flame. Add chopped curry leaves and green chili. Stir fry. Add salt. Add turmeric powder. Add black pepper powder. Mash well-boiled potatoes and add them. Mix it well. Add hing. Add besan. Add zira powder. Add chaat masala and amchur powder. Add red chili powder. Mix them well. Potato mixture is done. Let it cool down. Prepare round balls. Potato balls are ready. Take some portion of dough and prepare round balls. dough balls are ready. Apply flour to dough ball and roll. Place potato ball in center and fold from sides. Fold corners properly and press. Gently roll it. Kakari is done. Repeat the process and prepare remaining kakaris. Another way of preparing kakari is just by pressing with palms, no need to roll dough ball. Kakaris are ready for frying. Heat oil in kadai and fry kakaris in medium heated oil. Do not move kakari unless they start fluffing. Flip on other side when they turn into golden brown. Flip them very carefully. Fry on other side for 3 to 5 minutes on low to medium flame. Kakaris are fried well. Remove them. Nice and crispy kakaris are done. Tasty and super crispy aloo kakaris are ready to serve. Enjoy aloo kakari with kari methi, chutney or tomato ketchup. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.